Hi guys, FX Shipper speaking. Yes guys, we back with another video. We're going to be making analysis today on US30. So let's just get into it, guys. So as you all know, guys, the first thing that we do when we get to the market, we go to a daily time frame, right, guys, and we identify our trend. So we've been going a bit up for some time, but at the same time, this level right here, it looks like it's been ranging, it's been moving sideways, you understand? And then right here we have a mini downtrend that you can see right here, right guys? But the overall trend, we've been going all the way up, right? So now what's going to happen is that you're going to identify our high and the low, right guys? So basically what's going to happen is that we're going to identify our low, which is this level right here, right? This is our low, and then this level right here, it's our high. So you can see, guys, the market has been moving sideways. It's more like it's been ranging, you understand, guys? So now the other thing that I'm going to be looking for, I'll be looking for a pattern. That is something that is going to be, giving me direction on where am I gonna go. You understand? That is why it's very important, guys, to know patterns. You have to know patterns. You understand? So what's gonna happen is that right here, I see something like a shoulder, right? I see something like a head. I see something like a what? Like a right shoulder right here. So this is called triple top. You understand, guys? It's called triple top. And then again, I'm seeing something like a head and shoulders. Within that, that ranging market, you understand? If you start from here, I see something like a shoulder here. I see something like a head. I see the what? The right shoulder. So we've been going all the way, down. So we need to do what? We need to retest, guys. The market always retest, all the time when there is something like this before we can even look for sales, right? So right now, our aim is going to be looking for buys. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to draw this line right here. Already, because we on a bigger time frame on a daily chart, we already know that you're going to be looking for buys, guys. You see, that is one thing that you have to keep in your mind. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm drawing this trend line on the neckline of that head and shoulders, guys. You understand? So this is what's going to be happening. We're going to be looking for buys on this level, right? So this would be my target. You understand what I mean? So now let's dive in deep to a smaller time frame so that you can actually see what is happening. So normally what I like to do, obviously I expanded the chart, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw something like a what? Like a lower low, so I can actually see if the market is actually gonna change direction, right guys? So I'm going to start on this level of the neckline right here. Well, this is going to be my target, right? I'm going to drag it all the way down to see exactly what is happening, right? So you can clearly see that we're going to be buying on this chart right here, because there's a touch here. There's another touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here. So there are 4 touches basically. You understand? And when I look at this piece right here, I see something like a W. This piece, it might not be clear, but it's something like a W right here, right? So now what's happening is that it's actually retesting on the neckline of the W before we can even start buying. You understand what I mean? So what's gonna happen is that since now the chart is not that, it's not that expanded and visible and clear on this bigger time frames, is that we're going to go, to a smaller time frame. You understand? We're going to go to a 1 hour to actually see, what is happening within, this market. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is that I'm actually gonna draw my lower highs, right? So I'm going to start here, going all the way down, right? So basically what's happening is that the market actually, forms something like a head and shoulders right here, right? And then it actually broke out on the neckline. It retested, it went all the way down. So now it's actually trying to create it's actually trying to change direction, because now this is the W that I was telling you about. You understand? So it actually broke our trend line with an aggressive candle, and then it retested. You understand what I mean? So what's going to happen is that from here, this is the neckline for the W that I was telling you about. So we're going to be looking for buys from this level. You understand? So this is where we're going to be looking at. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to identify that, neckline for the W. So basically it's connecting with this low right here. You understand? So this is the level whereby now we're gonna be looking for a pattern. You understand? We need a pattern for us to actually, get confirmations, on the buy, guys. We need confirmations. So how do we, know that we're going to be targeting at this resistance and all of that? We're going to be targeting the nearest resistance, right, guys? So the first take profit, it's going to be here, which is at the intraday. It's yesterday's close and today's open. You understand? The market actually opened, it closed and opened at that level, right? That's the first take profit. The second take profit is this level right here. And then the third take profit is this level right here. You understand what I mean, guys? So that's what we're going to be looking at, guys. I hope we're going to kill this one also, and let's just be profitable, guys. And I hope that my videos are actually helping a lot of you guys, and I would really appreciate it if you press that like button and subscribe, guys. Share and subscribe, guys. I would actually appreciate that, with all my heart. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is how we're gonna go about it, guys. You're gonna be looking for buys on US30, and I hope you're going to be profitable, guys. I already got in on the trade on US30, guys. So yeah, let's just be profitable, guys, and thank you so much, guys. Peace out.